small one, huh? We have a kiddie chairs from there, so please kind of sit down. The small. Come and acknowledge the ever-supportive, loving family of our Debutants. Let us all welcome on March 14, 2007 at the 9 Philippines. Her friends call her Sid. Enjoy! Birthday ng aming anak na si Sydney. There we go, come on, sing!
Happy birthday to
We're get ready for the 18 roses and gifts. Dance. Okay. Please, yeah, let us all clap our hands together. Let us all. Hands together for Miss Mitch and Mr. Henry.
Hello. Happy 18th birthday.
Gab M and Nico. And Mr. Alvin. Alvin. And Mr. Ruel. Mr. Ewa. Please put your hands together for Magisel and Daddy Gats.